Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got a fantastic find for all you ATV enthusiasts out there.
We're going to dive deep into the world of handlebar grips and introduce you to the best ATV handlebar grips available on the market. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me introduce you to our star product, the 4Pcs Bike Handle Grips by CHUNZEXI. These grips are not only suitable for bikes but are also an excellent choice for ATVs, offering enhanced comfort and grip for your off-road adventures. These grips are designed to provide the utmost control, making them ideal for ATV riders who crave precision and safety while navigating challenging terrains.
Let's take a closer look at the key features that make these ATV handlebar grips stand out from the crowd.
Right off the bat, you'll appreciate that you get two pairs of grips for the price of one. The quality and comfort of these grips are unmatched, making them an exceptional value for your money. You can choose from a variety of vibrant colors, allowing you to customize your ATV's look or match your mood. These grips are made of TPR rubber, known for its durability and excellent grip even in rainy conditions.
The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable hold, even during long rides.
With an internal diameter of 0.87 inches, these grips are suitable for over 90% of ATV handlebars, ensuring compatibility with most models. We've got a great tip for you: apply a bit of soapy water, detergent water, or car wax on the grips as a lubricant during installation. This makes the process quick and hassle-free.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best ATV handlebar grips,
the 4Pcs Bike Handle Grips by CHUNZEXI are undoubtedly worth considering. They offer a winning combination of comfort, durability, and style.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future product reviews.
Thanks for joining us today,
and as always, ride safe and stay adventurous.